Cryptocurrencies are a type of digital currency that uses cryptography and specific algorithms, where transactions are completed using digital signatures and can be used in digital payments. They are highly encrypted, which brings stronger security to them. These cryptocurrencies possess a huge potential to expand and increase in value with the ongoing market trend. In this video, we will discuss 5 cryptocurrencies with huge potential to influence the crypto market and cryptocurrency altogether. Number 1. XRP. Ripple works as both a cryptocurrency and a digital payment method. This was released in 2012 and founded by Chris Larsen and Jed McCaleb. XRP is a token, and Ripple is the name of the company. The primary purpose of XRP is to create an intermediate mechanism of exchange between networks and currencies. What is unique about this is that Ripple uses a system of bank-owned servers and not blockchain mining. This means that they have the ability to connect the mainstream financial system to the cryptocurrency market. XRP enables the exchange of many fiat currencies, including cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, as well as even commodities like gold. This is not seen in any other blockchain network. This is essential in replacing the existing system for a quick money transfer network, or to replace the settlement layer between major financial institutions. With the development of this particular feature, XRP has the ability to reshape the global transaction system, where transaction fees would be minimal compared to the existing fees for current transactions across borders. In fact, XRP could replace money in global money transactions, owing to the fact that it is the only cryptocurrency approved by mainstream financial institutions like banks. When taking a look at its price levels and its behavior in the past years, it has been stated by many analysts that XRP will very likely come to reach a stabilizing price point of $2.50. When considering the advantages of XRP and the pool of investors that is attracting gradually, it can be expected for XRP to make a change in the current marketplace by occupying and facilitating worldwide currency transactions. Moreover, Ripple as a company has a bright future. The company develops new technologies to improve the current market system and extend the functionalities by bringing in new updates. It has introduced Codius, which helps to write smart contracts, and dApps, which are decentralized applications that run on a network of blockchains, and Xspring, that allow people to invest in startups related to Ripple. Better yet, there are more improvements to be launched that will directly influence the price of XRP. Although the price depends on several factors, such as the adoption by banks, markets, and quality of improvements, if everything goes well with updates, XRP is sure to have a bright future in the world of cryptocurrencies. Number 2. XLM. XLM is a symbol under which Stellar cryptocurrency is traded. The organization's currency, also known as the Lumen, can be used by investors and traders on the Stellar network. Stellar is known to be a blockchain-based network capable of connecting banks, various payment systems, as well as humans to facilitate minimum costs, cross-asset transfers, and payments. Stellar is an open-source network for payments and can be exchanged with all forms of currency, such as USD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Most importantly, Stellar is completely and solely owned by the public, as there is no owner. Stellar has had a spectacular performance in 2021 and has an upward trend in gaining acceptance among developers, businesses, markets, and individuals. With this, positive future trends are extremely promising. It has the potential to be a very profitable investment opportunity. Moreover, when considering how we could witness the potential of XLM to expand in value and popularity, XLM comes among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Stellar has also been able to gain several strong partnerships. As a payment platform, it's able to mark its name in the industry. Some of its most significant partnerships are software giant IBM, ICICI Bank, India's largest private bank, Deloitte, a leading global firm for finance and technology, ClickX, an award-winning platform that facilitates regional cross-border payments. Similar to XRP, XLM is expected to possess a very high potential in occupying its space in the crypto market as a modern solution for facilitating ease of transactions across the globe due to its significant partnerships with mainstream financial institutions. With that being said, Stellar has a long-term growth potential with its existing growth trend and continued developments. One of Stellar's key features is a high capacity of up to about 1,000 transactions per second. Moreover, instant confirmation, low fees, and the ability to perform both fiat and crypto transactions on the same platform have become crucial selling points of Lumen's, thus adding more credibility to its investments and giving it more potential to reach a new high. Therefore, XLM is expected to have a bright future and make a significant change in this current economy. Number 3. LRC. LRC, or Loopring, is an ERC-20 token that is considered as open-sourced with a non-custodian exchange agreement, essentially giving everyone the ability to create non-custodial, order book-based exchanges on Ethereum with zero knowledge proofs. Based on a Loopring price forecast for this year on technical analysis and artificial intelligence, Wallet Investor has concluded LRC as a great and profitable investment in the long term. Loopring has been able to surge by over 50% this year, with investors taking more interest in this underrated cryptocurrency. Daniel Wang, founder of Loopring, has stated that Loopring is a protocol for building decentralized exchanges, enabling everyday people to have control over their own crypto assets during the whole process of trading and exchanging, instead of using centralized platforms, which comes with a series of issues such as hackers. Moreover, by trading cryptocurrencies in a decentralized way, they are building the financial system of the future by enhancing its security, as well as developing a true decentralized method of trading cryptocurrencies as well as assets. Loopring has future aims of making LRC a worldwide available method of purchase, more precisely, a shopping currency. In fact, they have future hopes of joining with Alibaba and Amazon, thus providing the opportunity to purchase merchandise using cryptocurrency. Arguably, this is a step towards normalizing the use of cryptocurrency for the general public and is certain to make an incredible impact on the world economy. If this goes into fruition, LRC can be seen reaching its peaks if it develops a day-to-day purchase platform. Number 4. Litecoin. Litecoin was founded by Charlie Lee, a former Google engineer, in 2011. Similar to Bitcoin, Litecoin is also based on an open-source decentralized global payment method. Litecoin possesses a faster block regeneration rate and use of script as a proof-of-work scheme, which detects malicious attempts of fraudulence and spam. It is completely different from Bitcoin. It ensures high security and assurance of stored assets and transactions. When considering the growth potential of Litecoin, Bitcoin comes into play because Litecoin possesses similar features. As we all know, Bitcoin is at the top of the cryptocurrency market, and with Litecoin having similar features, it is entirely possible that Litecoin can capture or recapture the success of Bitcoin. The creator, Charlie Lee, has created Litecoin, the light version of Bitcoin. Owing to these reasons, Litecoin is among the top competitors of Bitcoin, waiting to occupy its space if Bitcoin suffers a downfall. Moreover, as of 2021, one Litecoin is worth about $215, and it is the 14th largest cryptocurrency and possesses a market cap of about $15 billion. The most prominent characteristic of the potential that Litecoin possesses is the confidence of taking risks and building confidence among investors and traders. One such example is that Litecoin, together with SegWit, is trying to bring in no-cost transaction system, where transactions take place virtually at no cost. If this works, Litecoin is sure to change the future of economical transactions. This fact alone has attracted a lot of investors to Litecoin. In fact, Litecoin has established services around the globe such as BankX, which accepts the usage of Litecoin, until the Lightning Network, which enables faster transactions and consists of a layered payment protocol, levels the field. Investors can choose to fund its initial coin offering, or ICO, with Litecoin to save money on fees. Thus, Litecoin seems to have higher aims of normalizing cryptocurrency to be used in daily transactions of people by bringing in the zero transaction fee system, which is highly consumer friendly. With this, we can have positive hopes about Litecoin bringing in a whole new transaction system into the world economy. Bitcoin is used by about 7,300 stores and businesses worldwide. In comparison, Litecoin is being used by about 3,000. This alone shows that Litecoin can possess a high growth potential and expansion if favorable conditions are maintained in the crypto marketplace. Number 5. Monero. Monero is a cryptocurrency that has achieved popularity and is accepted by many due to its privacy-oriented features. Monero was launched in 2014 and has an opaque blockchain system where every transaction is hidden or disguised. It is widely used due to its features such as being able to mine easily, using only a CPU rather than using special hardware. When talking about the growth potential of Monero and its ability to expand widely, the first and foremost feature is that it can be easily mined using a household CPU. Another reason why Monero has a high potential of changing the crypto market is due to its privacy features, where all the transactions take place anonymously, as people are forced towards fungible private funds, government-owned and transparent cryptocurrencies. Some may turn away from these and choose a more opaque alternative. In fact, Monero is establishing its place among other cryptocurrencies as the only cryptocurrency that allows private and fungible crypto. This has resulted in a huge split in the crypto marketplace as people are more concerned about security and privacy. This further means that Monero is in favor of decentralization. Moreover, some major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have been banned in countries such as China and Venezuela. Thus, many miners as well as investors are turning away from Bitcoin to Monero. With this being said, we can have future hopes of Monero taking over the market with constant updates brought in by the developers. This has been 5 cryptocurrencies with a huge potential to change the future of cryptocurrency. Each cryptocurrency has been discussed in full detail and have been examined thoroughly. As always, it is crucial that you do your own due diligence before investing in things such as cryptocurrencies. Before you click away, please consider liking this video if you have enjoyed it and subscribing for more content like this.